Today I'm gonna do a crispy pork belly for you guys, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash it and all that, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it. This is how it looks. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do the same thing with the back of it. Here's it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash this, right? And then I'm gonna add season to it. Now I'm gonna season this on both sides, right? So in this container here, I got a mixture of seasonings. I got some pimento seed, I got some salt, I got some black pepper, and I also got some pork seasoning, right? Mixed with a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna rub this in properly in between the creases and all over. I'm gonna make some teriyaki barbecue sauce. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this rest for about. And then now, as I said, this will seed marinate and thing, you know. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna set on a pot on the fire with some oil. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna fry and then bake, right? So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna fry. And remember, we want to put it face way down, like this. So you want to put it face way down so the oil can catch on the both sides, right? Oven set. I turn it on 420 degrees, yeah. So it's already start preheating. So as soon as I remove it from here, I'm gonna put it in the oven, then remove it back, and then start the process, right? So I'm just gonna let this fry for maybe about 2 to 3, 4 minutes. Right now, if I do want frying pan, just want to turn it over a little, if you guys see. Right. Now I'm gonna remove. We'll just add a little water. You can cover the first layer of the meat, right? So now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna place this in the oven, right? And leave it in the oven for about 30 minutes, right? What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna prepare the things for the sauce. You have some onions, right? I'm gonna use like 2 pegs of garlic. Yeah, the barbecue sauce. Special, yeah, like you know, something different. You see, cut these really fine. You know, next thing I could have blend them thing in, but not really go through the process right now. You don't need that. One thing, and the main thing for this barbecue sauce is the onion, the garlic powder, and the scotch bonnet pepper, right? The rest will be powdered seasoning. I'm just going to use some of the same oil that I used to fry it just a small amount, because you want a little or no oil, right? So I'm just gonna add a small amount, just to grease the pan. Right. So remember now, these are the seasons that I'll be using. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add these, and these are just temporary because I'm gonna remove them, right? So the seasons are just for flavor. Now, just gonna add a little soy sauce. A little bit of vinegar. Just wanna stir this. Now, I'm just gonna add some ginger powder, right? Just a little ginger powder. A little bit more. Right. Then I'm gonna add some ketchup. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. And then I will add the sugar. Like on the fire for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to remove it. Then I'm going to use this, I'm going to pour it through the strainer. I'm going to strain it, remove the season, right? Because as I said, the season are not permanent, just the flavor. Alright, here's it after removing it from the oven, right? Alright, perfect. Perfect. Let's see what underneath. Right. Perfect. Set it to drain right here, because I'm gonna fry it again. So here's it. Good. So I'm gonna make the oil well hot. Well cook. Perfect. So I'm just gonna fry this off now. I'm just gonna let that drain right here while I strain off the sauce, right? I'm just gonna strain the sauce right here. Oh, I wish you guys could see this. So here's it. Yeah, this is the teriyaki barbecue sauce, right? So I'll just set this aside over here. So I'm gonna make the oil extra hot this time because now It's where I'm gonna get the crispiness, right? I'm gonna turn it on fish. Crispy and nice, right? Right, this time. Right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just slice this up, right? Alright, so now what am I going to do now? I'm going to add this into this pot. Alright, so what am I going to do now with the sauce? I'm going to put the sauce over it. I'm going to adjust that to the fire. And then I'm not going to make it stay. I'm just going to toss it around. And then I just remove it and serve it. As they make it to the end. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, right? Remember to enjoy. Until next time.